I'm Karen Rogers.
And I'm Adam Joseph. Tonight on FYI Philly,
take a tour of Revel, the amazing new resort rising on the boardwalk in Atlantic City that's having its grand opening this weekend.
Then meet the man who turned his college pastime into an online business that's going nationwide.
The foodies of the drinking culture.
It's an FYI for you, starting now. Our next story is about a Pennsylvania native who took a favorite college pastime and turned it into a thriving online business. Here's that story. On any given evening, you'll find Adam Schmidt in a bar, talking trends about some of America's favorite libations, like cocktails going back to the basics.
There are all these places where are really making the drinks from scratch. They're using old 30s style recipes.
A new interest in squared vino.
Box wine is traditionally very frowned upon, but there are a lot of vineyards that are actually packaging it in these Tetra Paks. It's better for the environment. It's more cost effective for the producer.
And the best spots for craft beer.
So we're at Perch Pub right now, which is right on the corner of Locust and Broad. This place has 14 rotating craft drafts, all of which that are half price during happy hour. And they really strive to get, sort of those more rare beers that you can't necessarily find in a lot of the typical beer bars in Philadelphia.
So what did Adam do with the likes of his educated liquor palate? Well, in 2009, the St. Joe's University grad started drinkphilly.com, a website extolling the virtues of all things alcohol.
And it started out with as a happy hour resource. So I just started compiling an Excel spreadsheet of all the drink specials in Philadelphia. And I was just using it because, I was a poor college student. I didn't have a lot of money. My friends started asking, where should we go tonight? Where can we get some good deals? And so I sort of became the go-to guy for, finding good happy hours in Philadelphia.
He decided to pour operations into other cities, expanding to thedrinknation.com.
We try to be the hub of everything drinking in each of the cities that we're in. So we do so by curated content such as bar reviews, drink reviews, happy hour specials, all drink-related events. It's a free online publication. The Drink Nation is our parent site. And then within that we have different local sites. So we have Drink Philly, Drink Baltimore, Drink DC, Drink NJ Shore. We have Drink Portland, which we're launching next month. So we send out, once a week email to just let you know about all the great events that are coming up, and really keeps you in the know of, everything that's drink related.
But even though this biz was born out of college life, their target has evolved.
It's about people that enjoy fine drinking. We like to say that we are gearing toward the foodies of the drinking culture.
So when you see Adam Schmidt hitting the streets, walking into the newest watering holes, he and his staff are seeking and sipping out of the best bars and most dynamic drinks in the region for our tasting pleasure.
Adam, Bill Gates started Microsoft during a recession, so you never know how far Adam Schmidt will go.
We will follow him. All right, don't go away. We'll be right back.